This shot right here, no animator, no After Effects, just a text prompt and an AI that actually understands cinematography. I spent 2 weeks making a full animated film with AI, and I tested every major video generator to do it. Kling, Veo, Sora, Seedance. I tried all of them, and honestly, none of them nailed animation the way Grok did. I'll show you exactly why in a minute. In this video, I'm walking you through my entire workflow, from story idea to final film, step by step. And I'm also giving away a free prompt guide with every camera technique I used, so stick around for that. So first things first, you should have your story in mind, or at least a rough idea. Think about your characters, the setting, and the key moments you want to show. You don't need a full screenplay, but at least a clear vision of what you want to create. Once you've got that sorted, head over to the tool I've mentioned in the description. This is where in-video vision comes in. And here's the best part. It's completely free. Vision, angles, extract shot, all of it. So this is genuinely the best starting point for any AI film. Go to Agents and Models, find Vision, and create a new board. Type your story concept into the prompt box. Click Unlimited to use it for free, and Vision generates 9 storyboard frames based on your description. Just like that, a complete shot list. Your entire film, laid out visually in seconds. Now, here's something most people don't know. If you've already generated a character for your story, maybe you created them in Midjourney, you can upload that character reference directly into Vision, and now every frame in your storyboard features the same character. Same face, same design, across completely different scenes and angles. Character consistency built right into your storyboard. Once you have your storyboard locked, use Extract Shot to pull every frame in 4K. These become your base images for video generation, but here's where most people stop. They take these images and go straight to video. Don't do that yet. Before generating any video, you need to refine your key shots. So let's say you got a wide shot, but you want a close-up shot of the subject. You can use Nano Banana Pro, which is also available right here in InVideo. And there you go. You can also use angles, which is also free, to get completely different perspectives of the same scene. I've covered the full Vision workflow in another video. But now let's get to the part you actually came here for. Alright, your images are ready. Now we turn them into cinematic video clips. And this is where Grok comes in. Now remember, I said I'd show you why I chose Grok over everything else. I took the same image and ran it through 4 different tools with the same prompt. Here's what I got. See the difference? With the other tools, the motion felt stiff. Grok gave me fluid motion, clean character preservation, and it actually responded to camera directions in my prompt. For animation specifically, nothing else came close. And here's the thing, I'm not jumping to some other website to use Grok. It's built right into InVideo. My storyboard, my refined images, and my video generation all in one place. No tab switching, no downloading and re-uploading. So, inside your project, select the Grok image to video workflow and import your image. Now, here's what most people get wrong with their prompts. They write something like this: prompt a warrior walking through a forest, flat, static camera, no mood. Now watch what happens when you prompt like a filmmaker. Prompt a warrior walking through a misty forest, camera, slow dolly in, God rays filtering through ancient trees, cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, same tool, same image. All I changed was how I talked to it. I told it how to move the camera, how to light the scene, what the atmosphere should feel like. Grok responds incredibly well to filmmaking vocabulary. Here's the formula I use for every shot. Subject plus action, then camera movement, then style and lighting, then audio if you want it. The camera movement is where the magic happens. Let me show you the 4 techniques that made the biggest difference. Camera technique 1, the dolly in, your go-to for emotional moments. The camera physically moves forward toward the subject. It pulls the viewer into the character's world. Camera technique 2, the orbit. Camera circles around the subject, perfect for hero moments or dramatic reveals. Camera technique 3, the crane up. Camera rises and pulls back to reveal the full scale of the scene. This is how you end a sequence. It gives the viewer that epic sense of perspective. And for action, the FPV drone dive. Fast, aggressive, diving through the scene. This is how you make the viewer's heart rate spike. These 4 techniques, dolly, orbit, crane, and FPV, cover 80% of what you need for a cinematic AI film. But I've put together a complete guide with 30+ camera movements and exact copy-paste prompts. Link in the description. Now here's the other thing Grok does better than anything else. Animation styles. Watch this. Ghibli, stop motion, claymation, Disney. You just mention the style in your prompt and Grok handles the rest. This range, with this level of quality, is exactly why Grok is my go-to for animation right now. Now here's the whole film that I was showing in the beginning.
I'll help you.
You piece of shit, you can't do anything! You're completely useless! I can't believe I trusted you!
Oh, thank you so much. Please come inside.
Isn't it mind-blowing that this used to take a studio months to create, and I just did it in a couple of days? All right, let me make this as easy as possible for you. I've linked 3 things in the description. First, a Google Doc with every asset and prompt I used to create this film. Every image prompt, every video prompt, every setting. Second, a complete Grok camera movement guide, 30+ cinematic techniques with copy-paste prompts. And third, in video itself, vision, angles, extract shot are all free. Grok is built right in. You can literally start building your animated film right now. Today, links are all below. And by the way, my next video is gonna blow your mind. So make sure to subscribe for it. I'll catch you in the next one.